If you're considering Copysmith AI, there are 12 crucial things you need to know before you make a purchase. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right generative AI software for your needs, especially when compared to others on the market like Jasper, Writesonic, or Writer. First up, Copysmith's core strength lies in its ability to generate high-quality copy quickly. Whether you're writing blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, or social media content, Copysmith makes it fast and easy. But compared to competitors, it's important to note that while Jasper offers a wider range of writing templates, Copysmith is more streamlined, focusing on fewer features, but with a deep level of specialization in e-commerce and ad copy. Next thing to consider is the platform's pricing. Copysmith operates on a subscription-based model with pricing that's relatively competitive. However, it's worth noting that for businesses with larger content needs, Jasper or Writesonic might offer more cost-effective plans when factoring in the volume of content you're generating each month. But if you're working primarily on marketing or e-commerce copy, Copysmith's pricing aligns well with its specialized features. The third thing is the AI's learning curve. Copysmith does a solid job of providing an intuitive interface that's easy to pick up, even for beginners. Some other platforms like Jasper might have a steeper learning curve due to their more complex feature sets, but Copysmith keeps things simple and efficient for users who want to get straight to creating. Next up is customization. Copysmith offers several options for tailoring the AI's tone and style, making it a good choice for teams who need specific branding guidelines to be followed. However, it's worth mentioning that tools like WriteR and Writesonic provide more flexibility in terms of content generation and fine-tuning. While Copysmith is great for general marketing content, if you need extreme customization, another option might serve you better. The fifth thing to know is that Copysmith integrates with several major platforms. You can easily sync your copy with tools like Shopify and WordPress, which is fantastic for streamlining your workflow. But Jasper, for example, integrates with even more third-party apps, so if you need deep integrations, keep that in mind. The sixth thing is the speed of content generation. Copysmith delivers results quickly, great for marketers in a rush. But when compared to its competitors, platforms like Writesonic sometimes deliver even faster, especially for shorter content. That said, Copysmith still holds its own in terms of speed and quality. Next, let's talk about the plagiarism checker. Copysmith includes a plagiarism detection feature, which is crucial if you're producing large amounts of content. This sets it apart from some competitors who charge extra for this feature, but keep in mind that tools like Grammarly or Quillbot might give you a deeper check for plagiarism if that's a priority for you. Another key thing is the customer support experience. Copysmith offers responsive customer service, though it's often said that platforms like Jasper and Writesonic provide more hands-on support and onboarding. If you're someone who might need more assistance, you might want to test the support quality during your trial period. The eighth thing is the quality of output. Copysmith is known for producing decent quality copy, especially for e-commerce. While it's certainly capable of creating engaging content, some users feel that the writing can be a little formulaic compared to competitors like Writer, which sometimes generates more creative outputs. So, it's something to consider, depending on your content style. The ninth point is the AI's ability to handle long-form content. Copysmith is solid for short to medium-length copy, but when it comes to creating long-form articles, platforms like Jasper or Writesonic often outperform Copysmith. If long-form content is essential, this could be a deal breaker. The 10th thing to know is that Copysmith includes tools for team collaboration, making it a good choice for businesses with multiple content creators. However, in terms of team features, competitors like Jasper and Writesonic provide more extensive collaboration options, so weigh that against your needs. The 11th point is the available templates. Copysmith has a decent range of templates, but if you're looking for more variety or specific options, like email campaigns or scripts, you may find competitors like WriteR have a wider selection to choose from. Finally, if you're looking for a free trial, Copysmith does offer one, so you can try it